Hi there, this is Samuel from Stadler Form, and today I'd like to introduce you to Emma, our personal humidifier. In this video you will see an unboxing, some instructions on how to operate Emma, and finally I'll tell you where to use Emma. Now let's start with the unboxing. If you open the box, you will first see the instruction manual and the postcard. Furthermore, you will see a little bag. This bag contains the power adapter, and as you can see, you can operate Emma with a USB cable. This means you can operate Emma either with a battery pack or with your computer, and of course with the plug. And then in the next little bag you will have the product. And what's really special about Emma is that the product itself is stored in the water tank, which means that you can just unscrew the water tank and then you can access the product itself. You will also get a little brush for cleaning the product. Alright, now let me show you how to operate the product. You will first need the water tank. You fill it with some water and then you close the water tank with the water tank cover. That's it. Now you take the product, and it's very important, on the underside you have those little feet. You just swing them out, it should look like this, which gives you additional stability. Then you place the water tank on top. That's all you have to do. Then just plug the product, switch it on, and you're ready to go. Now let me explain you the main functions. There are actually just two buttons, so it's really easy. The first button is the on-off button. If you push it once, the unit will be in the higher output mode. If you push it again, the unit will be in the lower output mode. If you push the button for the third time, the unit will be switched off again. Then the other button on the unit is for the lights. If you don't like the lights so much, or if they disturb you in your sleep, you can just reduce them by pushing the button once, and if you want to switch them fully off, you just push the button a second time. And there are no lights visible anymore. Just push the button again to activate those lights. If the unit runs out of water, it will just automatically switch off. Alright, this brings us to the last part of the video, and I'll tell you where you can use your Emma. So Emma is a personal humidifier, which means that she can improve the humidity in your personal environment. This means that you can use Emma wherever you are and wherever you go. It's very easy to transport, small and light, and in order to protect the unit, you can just pack it in the water tank. You can use Emma in your sleeping room, at your working place, or even in your hotel room when you're traveling. And the best thing about it is you can use Emma with a battery pack. So if you have no electricity available, just take your battery pack and you can run Emma wherever you want. Just make sure to first connect the product to the battery pack, activate the battery pack, and then activate your Emma personal humidifier. Alright, I think you know everything about Emma. If you still have questions, write them in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you like to see more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye bye.